previous video, I had taught you a short sound word. A short sound word. So, in this video, we will cover vowel short sound words which produces the sound of a. So, our first word is Now, en sound words. Pen, pen, man, men, hen, hen, tan, tan, bed, ed sound words. Now, easy sound words. Egg, lack, egg, lack, egg, peck, egg, peck, egg, cake, egg, cake, egg, back. So, thanks for watching this video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video very much. So, please like, subscribe and do share this video. Please, if you have any doubt and anything, so ask me in comment section. So whenever I will make my next video, so I will explain that what are you confused in this. So bye bye, have a nice day.